Want to neatly organize data in Word? Let's quickly insert and customize a table. Go to the Insert tab. Click Table and hover over the grid to select the number of rows and columns you need. Click to insert the table into your document. Let's fill this table with the top 5 movie releases of 2023. Enter columns: rank, movie title, box office, in millions. Customize table size and style. Drag the table edges to resize it. Click inside the table to reveal Table Design and Layout tabs. Use Table Styles to change the look with a single click. To insert a new row or column to your existing table, simply right-click on a cell, go to Insert, and select your desired option. You can also go to the Table Layout tab, then select the appropriate Insert button from Rows and Columns section. To delete a row, select the whole row and press Backspace. Select the appropriate option to shift any cells below the deleted row. We will learn more about advanced table customization in the next video. If you don't want to miss that, subscribe now and ring that notification bell. Alternative table insertion methods. Click Insert Table and manually enter the number of rows and columns. Now you know how to insert and customize tables in Word. Give it a like if this video earned it. Subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.